This video is on how to register as a representative assessee on the e-filing portal. Generally, a person is chargeable to tax only on his own income. However, there can be certain situations where a person is made responsible to pay tax and comply with all other provisions of Income Tax Act on behalf of some other person. Such a person is known as a legal representative of another person under the Income Tax Act. Such legal representatives come into picture when the person who is liable to pay taxes is not able to file income tax by themselves. Such can be situations in case of a non-resident, minor, lunatic, or any other reason. In order to register as a representative assessee, you are required to have your own user ID and password on the e-filing portal. Let us now look at step by step how do we register as representative assessee on the e-filing portal. So first of all, go to the e-filing portal homepage and click on login. Post login, go to Authorized Partners tab and click on Register as Representative Assessee. Post reading the instructions, you can click on Let's Get Started. Here you can see in case you have any active or inactive requests. However, to raise a new request, you can click on plus create new request. Here you are required to select the category of assessee to whom you want to represent. It could be legal heir of a deceased. You can represent a lunatic or idiot, a mentally incapacitated person, minor, oral trust, or a non-resident. Post selection of the category of assessee, you can enter the mandatory details and upload the mandatory attachments. For example, if you want to register as an authorized representative of a lunatic or an idiot or a mentally incapacitated person, you are required to attach a copy of PAN card of such person along with a certificate issued by the authorized medical authority. Similarly, if you want to register as Court of Wards, then you are required to provide a copy of PAN card of the person for whom Court of Wards is appointed, along with a copy of court order appointing Court of Wards. If you want to register as an authorized representative of a minor, you are required to attach a copy of PAN card of minor along with proof of guardianship. Along with that, you are also required to attach the proof of income as arises or accrues to the minor child on account of manual work done by the child or activity involving application of skill, talent, or specialized knowledge or experience of the minor. In case you want to register as an oral trust, you are required to provide the copy of the PAN card of the beneficiary of the trust along with the copy of the PAN card of the trustee, copy of the PAN card of the oral trust, and the self-attested copy of declaration made by the trustee. If you want to register as an agent of a non-resident, you are required to provide a copy of the PAN card of the non-resident person or entity along with a documentary proof of tax-protected contract wherein the resident is being held responsible for tax payment as well as return filing compliance. If it is a trust in writing, you are required to provide a copy of the PAN card of the beneficiary of the trust along with the PAN card of the trustee, copy of the PAN card of the trust in writing along with a copy of registered trust deed. If you want to register as a legal heir of deceased, you can refer to the video which is provided here. After attaching all the required documents, you would be required to enter the OTP received on your mobile number and email ID registered on the e-filing portal. Enter the 6-digit OTP received on your mobile as well as email and click on verify. Now your request will be submitted and you will be getting a success message. You can click on view request to view the request which has been submitted. Now you can also reach to the active request section, and if you wish to withdraw the request, you can click on withdraw request. Once the request will be approved, the representative assessee can log into the e-filing portal using its own login ID and password, and post login in the profile section, the representative assessee can switch the profile to a representative assessee. Registering as a representative assessee on the e-filing portal is very easy.